Time allowed one. Miss Hungry Siam introduce Lop Nin Tewa. Talent show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tôi đi nhé. Tôi vẫn mới pin này đến thế power ạ. Good job. Good morning. This is called morning walk with my running partner, Mr. Hello. We are here to burn calories today. We are on the way to SanyJayVan forest. Let's take you running for the first time 2025. So good. Rich air, you can feel it. The Delhi's air. Few runners are behind us. They are also chasing to reach our pace. Mr. Fong is coming. This is also one of the runners. Miss Yam also coming. She is none other than Siam. These are the remaining 4 runners leading by Mr. Rongmei. Finally, we are entering the SanyJayVan Park, one of the finest forest park here. Mr. Fungalong Siam leading us now. These are the runners. Hope you can join whoever is interested. Finally, we have reached the Kotominar Junction. We were running across the SanyJayVan Park and reached the opposite side. We have an open gym, so we are going to do some. We are going to do some activities, physical activities over here. The open gym is here. I'm going to take the small activity. Hi. This is what? Let me also join it with Mr. Pung Along. The other 5, yeah, 360 degree lah ngồi thì kìa. Let me turn, see. plak paro to diki. Walk sunapan pangene. I can see the stomach portion as well. So see here. Not bad at all. Introducing Hungry Siam. So? Anh yêu à, để enjoy sự liệm mà. Cái gì thật tốt? Start. Giang ở đây bầu nhà phong. Vui lẹ riêng. Here is Miss Dan Gadaleo. Xiên warm up so bà mọi thế không này nè. Fung and other fellow coming here for morning walk. Này mà, quay này qua.
Hello, my mom. Why next exercise? Rongmei must block the toe.
Say đầu ạ. Cô cao xong mà một khai là khẩu âm thế nào khẩu tăng lâu rồi.
Phải kì, mấy kì.
Cái này tát mắc rồi prì ra mà mình tát hot prì ra bằng gì? Shoulder call. May stand in knee exercise. Tay tampu nai. Brother and sister, nai, you also need to stand straight. No, stand straight.
Like this.
Alright, that's just for namesake, you have to hold the handle. Alright, that is the correct way. And call it 360-degree video. Làm đó không bái mại thì nghĩ hơi.
Saya 8 February 2025 day.
Ram ni ko pang wai mai wa ya. Runners group it nanti ne.
Saya sama walking the bangai dong thai. Terminal day ko thai. Ayo.
Mister nai mà hết nay cái này mà đã tiền thì xa đang sự tăng trắc ra. Con gì à? Taว่าสุดท้ายสมกันจะละไงบ้างเนี่ย Miss Goy Siam and these are also fellow morning walkers. Ria mon clear sih nak orang kenal, nak mau je tu nak. I see. I'm climbing the Peacock Hills. Yeah. แต่ว่าอันนี้เขาก็บอกว่ากันบางผมอ่ะนะเฮ้ Mr. Fong Mr. Hungry Siam Miss Hungry Siam Guiนี่งะเฮ้นายไม่ตายนายนี่งะคนเท่นเดียววะแต่ว่าปักลอยนะ recreation time we also call it a photo session อันนี้นายมาตัดจุยตรูน้ำมันขะSanyJayVan ko tay may ito ni tataw lamang may hamon pala de tuntak rin na nung de anyway ngak da tiang tau kay dakan tiang mga te hey nai ngau khat to khang go mong vậy to hin tiao à. Everyone, finally we end up with a lunch party today. This lunch is offered by Huinei Wang and family. I will show you the menu. This is what we have today. Chalung zanne ruang rakha English ko to salauli Miss Hungry Siam ni gonna dawam ni kaya say na kusang ni te pungalong gui and dance. Kabang paita. She is there. Will be joining with us. Lung pom lo ka makakalit may ban tao ni thay tong ko thay.